The SUMIF function can be used to add cells that are specified by a given conditional criteria. Here you can see we have our team members and we want to see how many sales they made in March 2022. And specifically, we want to look at how many sales Ibrahim made. Here's how we would use the SUMIF function to find the cell. I've color-coded the different bits of the formula in the cell so you can see which bits relate to each other. When you start typing the formula, it will ask you for the following information. First, it will ask you for the range of cells that we want to apply the criteria to. These are the cells that will be tested to see if they meet our criteria. So in our case, that is all the names that appear in column B. The second bit of the formula is the criteria. In our case, that is Ibrahim's name. Now, you could just type in Ibrahim in quotation marks, but it is better to reference a value in case you want to change the team member's name who you want to look at. So rather than type in Ibrahim there and lock it as a value, we will choose a cell reference, F14. So the formula is now going to look for where does Ibrahim's name appear in our range. And we can see it appears here and here, in B5 and B9. The final bit of the formula now is the sum range. These are the values that we want to add together. The SUMIF formula will only add the cells that match the name Ibrahim from our column B. So what we're going to do is we're going to select here because we want to add up these values as sales. So what it's doing is saying, in this range here, where does the name Ibrahim appear? And I'll add in the corresponding values. So it's going to add 18 and 17. When I click enter, we can see that Ibrahim made 35 sales. Now, because we referenced a cell rather than a specific name, we can change the team member's name here and see how others did. So when I type in Ben, we can see that Ben made 30 sales. And we type in Deborah, we can see Deborah made 33 sales. That is how you use SUMIF function. Now, personally, I prefer the SUMIFs function more, but that's something I will cover in another video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.